Look, it really is a box fan. It's shaped like a box, it's square, and it's by Bonaire. I'm making all these rhymes. Does it work? Oh, it's got this extremely tiny motor. That's as fast as it wants to go. It changed. I didn't tell it to change. I can barely feel it. It sounds like it's got some power to it, but I can barely feel any of that. So much for the name Bonaire. Extra shattery. Let go of me, stabby plastic. This thing's so cheap. Extra brittle plastic. Oh, where does it hurt? Oh, it severed the wires. Stupid. I'm pretty sure it's from the 90s. Extra brittle 90s plastic, huh? It's got the extra cheap motor. That's how you know it's weak. Still got all that copper. Someone get a pinch of money for it. Or I mean that pinch of copper for a pinch of money. And pinch of small coins. You know, I'm rambling on. This thing's destroyed. And I gotta clean up this huge plastic explosion.